A few moments later.
What's up, Monet gang, and welcome back to my channel. So as you could tell by the thumbnail and as you could tell by the caption, today's video will be an unboxing of my brand new camera, the Canon G7X Mark II. I've been wanting this camera since I started my YouTube channel probably about a year ago, but I wasn't really like serious on my channel. Like I wasn't posting consistently as I am now, but I finally went on ahead and purchased the camera. I wanted it to vlog because of course I was vlogging on my iPhone 11XX. Is this what I got? 11. I was vlogging on my iPhone 11 Max Pro, whatever, the Pro 11. I was vlogging on that camera, and I just wanted a better camera to take pictures on. I wanted quality photos for Instagram, and I just also I wanted to use it for vlogging. I wanted to actually feel like a YouTuber. So I went on ahead and purchased the camera off of Amazon, which I'll have linked in the description. I bought a bundle pack off of Amazon. So, and I already done opened the camera and like tamper with it because I couldn't wait to like get all done up to make this video. So I already done tampered with the camera. I mean, yeah, basically. But still, I just want to show you guys what came in the box, what I got from Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into the rest of the video. So it came in this box. Right here. I ordered it on, I believe I ordered it on a Monday. I ordered it on a Monday or a Tuesday. Ordered it on a Monday and a Tuesday, and it came on Friday. I'll put the actual dates on the screen somewhere, but it came on a Friday. And in the box came a tripod, the spider tripod actually, so you can like bend it and like do all that good stuff with it, hold it, prop it up on something. It's perfect for that. It came with a SanDisk Extreme memory card. Like I said, I already done started tampering with the stuff, so it's already inside the camera. But it came in this packaging, kept the packaging for y'all so I could show you guys. It has this USB cord. I'm not really sure what it go to, but it's an HDMI cord. I don't know what it go to, but they give you one of those. I have a camera case. Now I didn't open this yet, but so we can open this. Oh, this is cute. It's a little black camera pouch case. You can put your camera in there. I mean, you could like strap it, so you could like, I guess, like put this around your neck, so like you don't have to carry it in your hand. That's really cute. So yep, it comes with this little camera case. Very nice, easy, convenient with the straps. It comes with this cleaning kit, so we could open it. Actually, I'm not going to open it because I don't have any scissors. It comes with a cleaning cloth, 5 pieces cotton swabs, a lens cleaning fluid, so like a spray to clean the lens, 3 universal screen protectors, a mini tablet tripod, tabletop tripod, and that's what it says. This is what the stuff look like that's going to be in there. But I saw this and didn't know what this was, but I'm guessing this is a cleaner too, because it has this thing, and it's like a little brush on it. You see that? It's like a little brush. Oh snap. Oh, I don't know what that is, but when I watched one of these unboxing, some black stuff got on a girl's finger, so I don't want that to happen to me. So we're gonna put that back, but I'm pretty sure it's like a little lens cleaner or something along those lines. They give you this thing to take out your like to take out your memory card and to place it in here and then plug it into your laptop, whatever, and to get your files automatically from there. I'm assuming that's gonna come in clutch for when I have to edit videos, because I don't want to edit videos on my phone anymore. Then it comes with an extra battery. And then it comes with this thing, which is your SD or your memory card holder. So it holds all of your memory cards in here. So that is it for the extra things that I got inside of the box. What we're all waiting for. Let's get into this. Y'all. I'm so excited. Like, this cost me what? It was $5.23 on Amazon, but after taxes and everything, it came up to $5.54. But let me tell y'all, it's probably the best $554 I spent money on. I'ma say that. So it comes with a pamphlet, this little Canon pamphlet book. Who reads those? Not me, unless you probably absolutely need to. Then it comes with another Canon pamphlet. Again, not reading unless I need to. And then the camera comes in this case. So like I said, I didn't tamper with it already. So it came in like a little plastic bubble wrapping stuff, but I already took it off. And I already then got the camera booted up. It also comes with this little wrist strap for your camera, so you could like put it on your wrist. But y'all, oh, and it also came with a battery. The battery's in here, and it also came with the charger. So yes, but y'all, it's so small. I'm not gonna say it's light. It's pretty light, but it's not super light. Like, it got a little weight to it. Got a little weight, but it's not like super heavy or anything like that. But y'all, it's so freaking adorable. But let's just get into it, because I'm talking too much. Let me power it on. Y'all see me? I see me. This is what it looks like, y'all. So I'm going to start recording on here so I can show you guys a split screen of the quality. This is so freaking adorable. Excuse my mannequin head in the background. I make wigs. Y'all know that already though. But y'all, do y'all see this? It's so freaking cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it on me so we can show. So this is gonna be the comparison of the two. This is me talking right now to the camera. I need to be looking in the lens and not the viewfinder. So y'all, this is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. I'm actually going to put it on the tripod, so bear with me. You can see enough. And so this is how I look on the camera. I hope you guys can see the quality it's giving off. It's very cute. I feel like it looks cute. But this is what it's getting on. It's tracking my face, which I love. I think that's so cool. It's tracking my face. But y'all, this is how it's looking. This is kind of the end of the video, because here I am showing you the quality of the camera. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to start making new videos with my camera. But if you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Go down there right now and subscribe and become a part of the Monet gang. Or you can keep watching, see if you like it, and if you like it, go ahead and subscribe. But Also, don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for tuning in.